Hello, I'm Eason from Proway. Today we are going to introduce our company's shower road. Let's do it. We all know that the road is an important support to ensure the stability of the frameless shower, and the hardness and strength of the road is an important guarantee of the impact resistance of the shower. In addition, since everyone's shower design is different, the choice of what kind of support bar to install need to be carefully considered. That's why we have different styles of support bars to choose from, like glass-to-glass, wall-to-glass bar, telescope round-tube shower rod, and telescope square-tube shower rod. The surface is very smooth, made of 304 stainless steel, and the finish can be sanded or polished, anti-scratch and wear-resistant, not easy to lose color, angle adjustable, very flexible, support one side and both sides of angle adjustment. It can be perfectly adapted to 6mm, 8mm, 10mm thickness glass. As a company with 24 years development, we are well supplied with a wide range of materials, styles, lengths, and mounting methods of support bars, and the price is very advantageous. Apart from support bars, we also have a wide range of other shower accessories and provide a one-stop personalized customization service while you selecting the support bars. Therefore, we have been working closely with customers in Europe, American, and Australian for many years. We believe we are your best partner. The above is all the information about the shower rod.